Okay, here's a little quick primer about the viewer that we use for show people the images. And of course, here's just the start screen. And the program I use is this one in this corner. It's called Faststone. We double click it and it opens up and it shows a session list here and here. And currently I have a few in there. So if I expand this, you'll see the list of sessions here, and you can click on it, and then here's this 207, and this is the young lady here and all of her pictures. You can click or use the arrow keys to browse up and down the thumbnails. And so this image is the one here in the red border, and then on the order form we'll be using this number 7791 under the thumbnail with the red border is the image you're looking at here. So this is the number we would put on the order form. We don't need the first three letters, just the last four numbers. And I don't need the JPEG. They're all JPEGs. So I'm gonna do a quick pause and add another photo session and then show you how you might need to refresh. So pausing. Morning. So I just took a quick pause and I added another photo session.
Oh.
And I want to show you how to refresh the screen in case it doesn't show up. So I just done 208. 207's here, so what do? We click on the session number sign up here where it says sessions. And then you'll see 28 will appear in this list here as a folder. Doesn't show here in this list all the time, but it is right here, 208. So then you can just double click on it, and now you have the new session updated so you can view it and show it to the customer. And same process on everything. Should somebody click on a button and mess things up and you're not sure what to do, you can just click on the escape key. Sometimes here you don't have any keys, so just hit the escape key and it goes back. And if things get really messed up, I just close the program, come back here and double click on that one, and then we have everything here, and you can get that and start over with a fresh refresh slate. So that's pretty much it for now. And all these we just ignore. We don't need to do any of that. Just showing the pictures right now with this program. Thanks.